Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick video, I will show you how to save Instagram photos and videos directly to your gallery. So yes, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the menu icon at the top right. Scroll down and locate this option called Archiving and Downloading and tap on it. Now toggle on the option for Save Original Photos and Save Story to Gallery. This will automatically save the videos and photos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. Turn this on. Now whenever you upload something, it will also be saved automatically to your gallery. And if it's about saving other people's content, Instagram does not allow direct downloads of other people's photos or videos, but you can use the save feature inside Instagram by tapping the bookmark icon under a post. Or if you really want it in your gallery, you will need to use a third-party downloader app or website. Just copy the link of the post and paste it there. And that's it. Now you know how to save Instagram photos and videos to your gallery. Remember, always respect other people's content before downloading or sharing. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.